They're off.
Oh no!
Just watching these puppies is tough.
Well, to begin with.
Unbelievable! Good job! Great recovery in the neck and neck. Look at this thing go! Holy cow! The monster boat looks like it's got a motor in it. Except it can't turn. Get the rescue boat ready. They are neck and neck around the first turn. We are impressed. They are making good time. Monster's still in the lead. They're all headed out to Davy Jones' locker. None of them can make the turn here. The banana boat has rammed the monster boat. They're taking off. Someone's got to make some room there. I'd go right through them, you know. $500 prize here. Oh, there they go again. You can't go backwards, remember. They're still neck and neck. Somehow they've managed to make the next turn here in a minute. Here they go. I think everybody didn't eat their Wheaties this morning. They're kind of run out of steam. Got to make that far turn. Banana boat's still trying to make the turn. Monster's making the turn, although the dragon's going backwards. But that's okay, it's a dragon. It can do whatever it wants. Here they come. Monster boat's made the turn. Banana's right behind him. Monster boat's rowing for all